अब यहाँ पे है ना पानी इकट्ठा हो गया. So the kabutar is going to drink water from this puddle of water. Oh my god. He's going to drink water from this puddle of water. Now I'm going to remove this. यहाँ पे भी पानी है. See? कितना पानी इकट्ठा हो गया है. Because this is not patra, no? This is tarpaulin. Because ये वेट से फिर फट सकता है. Oh, science. This is science. Okay. See, here also there's water. तो ये मुझे आज सुभाष जी को समझाना पड़ेगा कि रोज़ सुबह ये करो जब आप सफाई करने आते हो when I'm traveling. Otherwise पानी ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. So to all my haters, just want to say that homemade food can be vacuum packed and sent abroad. Homemade food can also be frozen and sold on various online platforms because this is the way you sell food. Homemade food is homemade food. Various strategies are used to sell that food. Okay? To all the stupid trolls out there who have no basic common sense. Bye bye. Take care. Have fun. I'm trying to add egg curry with Ghar Ka Khana on my Zomato outlet also. But do you charge 5% GST as restaurant on all your menu items? I'm supposed to charge 5% GST because I was told that it's an iCloud kitchen, so you charge 5% GST on your website orders. But is this the same for Zomato? This needs to be asked my CA because this is not my area. We are not selling any of these items. Add GST slabs. Should I add yes or no? This needs to be checked. Trying to add taxes on this Ghar Ka Khana with egg curry on my menu dashboard. So I've added this, but there's no edit button here. So how do I add the taxes? And this is not this is just home style meal, okay? This is not pre-frost or freshly frost, okay? This is just home style because it's got egg in it. We are not frosting egg, okay? Select the category. This is like main course, okay? This I have to do with a lab, nutritional info per serving. Okay. Now I am including egg dishes in our Ghar Ka Khana redefined tiffin only on orders which are confirmed via the website. Because once it's confirmed on the website, your delivery can happen via Zomato. Because I will prepare it accordingly because Zomato वाला तो 10 मिनट में सर पे खड़ा हो जाता है. I need some time to prepare certain orders. So if you don't want to use the Borzo delivery partner, you can use Zomato delivery partner for those orders which are nearby my outlet, iCloud Kitchen. But for these orders, we would prefer confirmation on website. Charging 5% GST on all this thing, charges, Why is the charges not happening? I don't have a Zomato point of contact. Why are you not taking the charges? I'm adding the charges, still also you're not taking it. How confusing is this? You don't want to sell egg? I'm ready to pay tax. Okay. I want to go to goods. It's services, okay. So why are you not adding my taxes? Weird, yeah. That's my website, healthyhustle.com, and these are my articles on my website. Yeah. I need to go to the reviews. Reviews है क्या? नहीं है. Where are the reviews? Ghar ka khana tiffin. We need to add more products in the section here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. Products में we are having how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. We need to add veg here for the veg tiffin. Okay, specify veg. 12 13 14 15. We're having so many products, we need to put them below. So many we are having. This needs to change na. Roti meal and roti sabji is the same thing. There is discrepancy in price. Please change this. Make it 150 only. Remove this picture. Put roti sabji in this. That is roti meal. It's the same thing. Remove this picture. Roti paratha with aloo sabji. Yes, this is less. This 125 needs to go. This needs to be 150 for roti meal. Okay. Accepted on Zomato as my outlet photo, but they have rejected North Indian. तो मैं यहाँ पे क्या डालूँ भैया बताओ. आपके पास कोई घर जैसा होममेड फूड का कैटेगरी है? नहीं है. You have all this options, but you don't have homemade घर का खाने का option. What do I write? Healthy food, you will reject it because you are in some different zone, and I will address you guys later because right now I am busy with my website. I don't have time. Retail products maybe आपने reject मारा है. So I'm just going to put North Indian as of now because आपके जो options है वो match नहीं हो रहे. But anyways, just to keep this platform alive, I am doing this. So this is to put on record that I'm complaining against the BSc officials because हमारा time कोई free fund का time नहीं है. We were told to come to the office on 1st of July. We went to the office at BSc Bombay, that is Kala Ghoda. Yeah, it's really far, okay? So we took time from our schedule, went to the office to meet Mr. Shantanu, and he made us meet Mr. Kalpit, who told us to talk to Mr. Hemant Gupta, and everything seems very, very shady because no movement has happened apart from a Google Meet call, apart from a Zoom call with Mr. Hemant Gupta, which he forgot to record. So the whole thing is, we are not here beggars. We are trying to build a business through proper manner, and if these institutes can't guide us, then they should tell us in the first instant itself that they cannot guide us, so that my father does not tell me to go to such institutes and get guidance. Same goes with NSC. NSC also I went with my husband because my husband is like a sweet person. He wants to find the right route to kind of get funding for our businesses. He's a sports person, not from a very wealthy family, but somebody who is associated with government because of his sports background. So we went to NSC also, and the NSC coordinator also did time pass with us. So this is a complaint because the YouTube video indicates the marking of going to the office. Thank you. अभी टेरेस की आपको दिया।
चले।
ओके सर, क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम राहुल है
राहुल। ओके,
मैम। मैं 5 बजे तक हूँ।
उसके पहले मैं आ जाऊँगी। हाँ, तो कोई भी ऑटोमेटिक लग्जरी गाड़ी की बुकिंग मिलती है तो आपको पहले पूछना चाहिए कि क्लाइंट को पता है कि कौन सी गाड़ी है। मर्सिडीज़ है, अगर आपको चलानी नहीं आती तो आपको नहीं लेनी चाहिए बुकिंग।
हेलो सर, एक बुकिंग लिया था मैंने अभी। सर ये मर्सिडीज़ का एक मॉडल है, वो मुझे मॉडल के बारे में पता नहीं है, तो वो ट्रिप कैंसिल करना चाहता हूँ।
क्योंकि आप गाड़ी नहीं चल, मुझसे आप गियर पूछ रहे हो तो मैं कैसे आपको बताऊँ गियर? ये ऑटोमेटिक गाड़ी है, ऑटोमेटिक गाड़ी में गियर कैसे हो सकता है?
एक्चुअली गाड़ी का जो मॉडल नंबर है उसका मुझे गियर नहीं पता है, तो मैम बोल रहे हैं आप कैंसिल करें।
हाँ, क्योंकि मुझे गाड़ी नहीं पता ना, तो मैं आपको कैसे बताऊँ?
अच्छा अच्छा, चलाया मैंने BMW भी चलाया, Mercedes
तो
भी चलाया।
मुझे नहीं पता सर आपने क्या चलाया क्या नहीं चलाया। आप मुझे पूछ रहे हैं इसका गियर क्या है, तो मैं कैसे बताऊँ? यहाँ पे कोई दूसरा ड्राइवर भी नहीं खड़ा है। आप वरना अपने कोई ड्राइवर को फ़ोन करिए। अगर आप इतने बड़े ड्राइवर हैं तो आपके ड्राइवर लोग तो होने चाहिए ना आपको मर्सिडीज़ का बताने के लिए कि चालू कैसे करना है। मैं आपको कुछ बोलूँगी, फिर आप बोलोगे आपने बोला तो मेरे से गलती नहीं हुई, तो मैं क्यों रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लूँ? यहाँ पे कोई ड्राइवर भी खड़ा नहीं है। आपका हेल्प सेक्शन को पता होना चाहिए ना कि कैसे आपको बताए। आपके हेल्प ड्राइव के हेल्प सेक्शन को पता होना चाहिए कि कैसे आपको बताए। उनको भी नहीं पता कैसे बताए आपको, तो फिर कैसे चलेगा? अब मैं बैठ के थोड़ा मेरे हस्बैंड को फ़ोन करूँगी थाईलैंड में कि गाड़ी का गियर कौन सा है। ऑटोमेटिक गाड़ी में थोड़ा गियर होता है।
एक पैडल होता है जिसको आगे पीछे।
तो अगर आपको नहीं पता तो फिर आप क्यों मेरा टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो और अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो?
लग्जरी गाड़ी ऐसा है, ये जो मॉडल है वो मॉडल 250 भी कभी चलाया नहीं।
So apparently the driver doesn't know how to start the car. Awesome. हेयर करके आती हूँ तभी ऐसा क्यों होता है? हाँ, मेरे बाल ख़राब हो जाएंगे। So I don't want to spoil my hair and my hair color. Oh, that's my parking. No, that's my parking. B1811. ये बेबी। हेल्पलाइन को नहीं पता तो रहने दो, कोई दूसरे ड्राइवर को पूछो।
कोई दूसरा ड्राइवर भेज सकते हैं इमीडिएटली मैम को। 1:15 को आएगा।
बंद कर दो भैया गाड़ी।
1 बजे आएगा। ओके, मैम 1 बजे तक आएगा, मुझे समझ में आ गया।
आप चला सकते हो?
हाँ जी।
आर यू श्योर?
या आई एम श्योर मैम।
क्योंकि मुझे
मुझे मिला गया एक्चुअली।
तो चलाओ, देखती हूँ मैं। ड्रामा नहीं कर रहे थे वीडियो में आने के लिए, तो ड्रामा नहीं हो रहा था। नहीं, क्योंकि आजकल लोग वीडियो में आने के लिए कुछ भी कर रहे हैं। गाड़ी चलानी आती है तो ठीक है। सो आई डोंट नो सर, इट इज़ माई हस्बैंड्स कार। पहले भी किसी ने गड़बड़ करी है ना? वो पता है किसके ड्राइवर ने करी? वो नारायण के ड्राइवर ने ठोकी थी। पवन करके कोई बंदा था, ये नारायण के ड्राइवर ने ठोकी थी। और फिर नारायण उसकी जिम्मेदारी नहीं लेता। समझ रहे? जिसने ठोकी उसकी जिम्मेदारी तो लो। फिर बात पैसे की नहीं है, सॉरी भी नहीं बोलना है ना। देखो, पूरा ये नारायण के ड्राइवर ने ठोकी है। पवन करके ड्राइवर आया था।
हो गया मैम, अभी जा रहा हूँ मैं बैग लेकर। जी जी, कस्टमर है साथ में। हाँ, कस्टमर के साथ ही। अच्छा, नहीं हो गया था। हाँ, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था मैम, अभी हो गया। आप मेरा देखिए आईडी मैम, 6 साल पुराना आईडी। नहीं, मुझे गियर नहीं समझ में आ रहा था इसका। ये गाड़ी मैंने ड्राइव नहीं किया था पहले। अभी ठीक है।
क्योंकि मजाक मजाक होता है, काम काम होता है। गाड़ियाँ ये एक्सपेंसिव है। अगर आपको कोई गाड़ी चलानी नहीं आती है तो आप ऑनलाइन बोलिए कि मुझे सिर्फ BMW चलानी आती है, या ये चलानी आती है, या वो चलानी आती है, तो आपको फिर आपका एप्लीकेशन मर्सिडीज़ के लिए नहीं भेजे। बिकॉज मुझे स्ट्रेस नहीं चाहिए। मेरे को जहाँ पे पहुँचना है, मैं लेट होती हूँ ना दूसरा ड्राइवर की बुकिंग करने के लिए। तो मजाक मजाक है, मगर काम मजाक नहीं है। आपको अगर आपका काम नहीं पता तो आप अपने एप्लीकेशन में बोल दीजिए कि मुझे ये गाड़ियाँ नहीं पता है। Again, the work on the terrace is not done. Apparently, the plumber didn't even come yesterday. I don't think the plumber is going to come today. The plumber will come after I go to Ahmedabad. That's the plan. So, I left the key with the manager. There is a manager apparently, which is good. And if I go to Ahmedabad, I can leave the keys with the manager. Because on the terrace, जो भी सामान रखा है, that's outer furniture. That is not like, furniture which has to be kept inside the room in the house. So yes, I can wrap the furniture and I can let it be outside only and give the keys to the manager of the society. Because it's about being mature. Because the plumber is apparently not coming to get the work done. So they don't want to send the plumber. So yeah, so I will give the keys to the manager and give a writing that whenever they want to access the terrace, they need to inform me via email. Yeah, because if I'm traveling, I'm leaving the key down. But if you want to access the terrace, just inform me on my email that you are accessing the terrace. Don't just randomly give my terrace keys to anybody. Because they don't even have a proper box and everything, where keys can be kept, labeled and kept. They don't have all that. So the society is in like shambles, So it's just that if my key is accessed by somebody else and they go up and do something not right on my terrace, then I don't like that because there's no camera also on my terrace as of now. So let's see. ये प्लम्बर का काम अभी हो जाता है तो ठीक है, नहीं होता है then I'll see. Either I'll give the keys to Subhash ji, who's the building gardener also, or I'll leave it with the manager. Yeah, I'll see. Not keeping my house open and shutting my house. Very clear about that. Yeah. ये कल का टिश्यू पेपर है गाड़ी में पड़ा हुआ है and the गाड़ी is not साफ. See, कल का सब गंदा. I don't know why Sangram hires them. Whatever these people are saying. Look at this. Such a dirty car. हाँ, अंदर ले लो. Sangram has told me to kind of donate food here. St. Catherine's home. So I will just see what is the procedure to donate food here. Because for his MMA fight, he wants me to do some food donation. It's a lovely place. Look at this. Oh my god. Awesome. Awesome. See, what happens is that parents are from the thought process कि मेरे बेटे का DNA होना चाहिए. आप समझ रहे हो? DNA. अभी DNA का आप क्या करोगे बताओ? आप ऊपर चले जाओगे तो आपका DNA क्या कर रहा है इस पृथ्वी के ऊपर आपको पता है? नहीं. और आपका ओल्ड एज में आपके DNA ने क्या किया? कितने सारे तो ओल्ड पेरेंट्स शेल्टर होम्स में होते हैं. तो द थॉट प्रोसेस ना कि मेरे खून का बच्चा, दैट इज अ वेरी वियर्ड थॉट प्रोसेस.
Old age probably nothing.
But it is still there. It is 2024. You have educated young people, irrespective of their religion, having that thought process कि मेरा खून होना चाहिए. So that I want to.
Sometimes people don't want to let go. That is the thing. Everything should be inside here only. यहाँ only.
But अभी आप मुझे बताओ, महात्मा गांधी जी, उनके सन के सन, we don't know. We know him. So whatever good he did in his life, we know about that. His son is his karma. His son will have his karma. What is about DNA in that?
Yeah.
There is nothing.
Mahatma Gandhi is someone who would be that.
So his
if a cricketer is a good cricketer, his son is not going to be a
Good
cricketer.
cricketer.
He's just Sunil Gavaskar. Rohan Gavaskar is not. I mean, I'm not saying maybe, but not having all the talent or the technicality or the wisdom of
Yeah.
Sachin Tendulkar.
But-
Sunil Gavaskar. rather.
So I am just saying that emotion that we have till we are
That is
alive.
amazing. That is amazing.
So you want to cater to that emotion and through that emotion do good for one child. Because of this emotion I am here.
Yeah, very good.
If I did not have that emotion, I would not be bothered about it. But that emotion can do good of a child.
Yeah.
That's the thought.
But nowadays many are doing it. Many elderly couples also quite they're 45 years old.
But I don't
There
want to
come
go.
People from Western region also. This is Western region basically. So Gujarat, Goa, in this periphery.
Yeah.
Sometimes it doesn't work out, but they get from all over India.
Yeah. No, because this website has a lot of tie-ups abroad also, Dubai and all that. I was going through the Kara website. It has got a lot of tie-ups. But I was just thinking how to combine the Hindu law and the adoption process, Because when my religion has an option, why not explore it? So that's the thing. Because surrogacy again is not your egg, somebody else's egg. But that thought is okay. कि मेरे बेटे का something is there, egg is of some other woman. But that
Sometimes the egg and the sperm also can be put in another woman also. It could be that also.
it could be that also, but the whole thing is मेरा. आप मुझे बताओ.
But nowadays, most of the Bollywood also is going for surrogacy.
Yeah. But adoption, who did adoption? I think that Sunny Leon has done adoption. There's anybody else, known actor who has done adoption? Everybody has gone for surrogacy.
Yes.
Yeah. So mera gene is there everywhere. That is why surrogacy is preferred to adoption. है ना?
Yes.
But in surrogacy also a lot of parents are using the male sperm, husband's sperm, and the egg is from a donor egg.
Correct.
So then woman has got nothing to do with it.
Correct.
Woman is just using her body for the
Incubation.
incubation. So again technically woman का नहीं है. अगर आप मेरा जीन करो तो surrogacy में where there is a donor egg तो woman का जीन नहीं है. It is the male husband sperm and the donor. तो आप वो thought process से भी okay हो donor के इससे. क्यों? क्योंकि आपको लगता है कि आपकी बॉडी में वो हो रहा है तो देयर इज अ पार्ट ऑफ यू. बट ऐसे देखने जाए तो फिर अडॉप्शन भी इज अ पार्ट ऑफ यू. यू आर ब्रिंगिंग अप दैट चाइल्ड.
Adoption is more wisdom, except that.
So-
there are people who have done that.
Yeah, but see, a lot of people are okay with the idea of surrogacy with a donor egg.
Depends on certain communities don't like. I mean, certain religion like Christianity is we are not for that. Now we are on 5 also.
Acha, you're not?
We are not 5 because ultimately you are going against God's plan, no? No, see, let's be honest. So for us, we are okay with adoption.
Acha, you're okay with adoption?
Yeah, because you are doing good. I mean, good.
Good,
with
yeah,
yourself.
okay.
You are taking care of a child. Child is God's creation.
Yeah,
God's
yeah,
creation,
yeah.
all the religions. It's a beauty of God. It's like that God is there.
Created,
Whether
yeah.
be Christian or the basic. So for us, it's IVF because we're going against God's plan. So, and surrogacy is good.
Completely no.
So, but adoption, we are happy with that. Like,
So that's a good thought process.
yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. It's old age home, na?
No, this is not the old age. That's the next one, sir. This is St. Catherine's orphanage home. Girls orphanage. The nice Shraddha Vihar.
Where is that? That is?
You just come out from a gate, take a right, and enter the next
So we
compound.
can walk down, na?
Yeah.
This is also a good place to come. We want to give some donation. ये girls का orphanage है. Okay. We want to give some donation. We'll give it there also, here also.
You brought it already.
No, we want to ask you what you want.
Sir,
We
basic.
want, not money, but
No, you can't.
days,
No. So
whatever.
I'll give you. You can take a photo pic of this.
So what you want, let us know.
Yeah, so if you have a mobile, you can take a photo pic. No service.
So I'll also take.
हाँ
I'll also take photo of this.
हाँ आपका जो देखा था माई डॉटर वॉज दैट द फर्स्ट बिग बॉस था ना
नहीं, मेरा second वाला था.
second वाला बिग बॉस
अच्छा, she was behind the camera setup.
No, she was a production.
Come.
वैसा नहीं है.
हाँ, हाँ.
And now also on even on Kara you are saying ना.
हाँ, so on Kara,
This side is going under JJ Act. Not Hama Baba अभी कुछ नहीं.
the JJ Act is Juvenile Act,
Juvenile Justice Act.
Juvenile Justice Act. But there also there'll be
For everybody.
for everybody.
Yes.
But Hindu Adoption Act is immediate. Also, somebody wants to.
Immediate behind me, that is also there now on the Kara portal when you open it.
Huh.
So have you seen that Kara?
Yeah, I have seen, but I just didn't know the section. If you can show me right now, then I
No,
will.
I can't because we not.
Okay. So on the Kara website, you have. I can see that now also before registration.
Here also you can.
Okay, ठीक है. Okay.
बट आफ्टर योर
registration and everything.
सो थोड़ा अभी वेट करो अभी अगस्त है अगस्त अभी 15 दिन तो कल टुमारो इज 15 और सितंबर अक्टूबर नवंबर दिसंबर थोड़ा 4 महीने फिर
हाँ, so December पे I register and then उसके बाद register.
soon after when we see your means
Register.
after the parents are registering na
हाँ,
soon after that when they can see on our portal
okay.
when you are choosing St. Catherine's agency
Yes.
होम स्टडी में अगर आपने HSR एजेंसी सेंट कैथरीन चुना है
हाँ.
then we will see your name then at once we are social worker another social worker there she calls and she picks the appointment and
So then we will come here first
Yes,
and then
first.
you will come to our house.
yeah same day along with same
Along.
day most of you same day only like
Perfect.
that.
Done.
Okay?
Okay, madam. I had a very nice talk with Umaji. Umaji was very helpful. So after my form filling on Kara, I will come here and then they will come home to check my house. Yeah, baby. This is such a beautiful place. This is such a beautiful place. Look at that. Look at that. Awesome. सुरक्षित है अभी भारत के सिवा. So I've just done my treatment and you can see the flag. I'm going to be putting this in my house also like this. So I had the most painful Morpheus treatment for my thighs. It was painful. Oh my god, look at this. Look at that. It was the most painful treatment for your cellulite. We have also bought the flag. ध्यान से. We have also bought the flag. Oh my god, this is looking so nice. इसको हम घर पे जाके लगाएंगे. Awesome. So that's me and that's the flag. We got the flag. We got the flag. Yeah, baby. बिल्डिंग में नहीं हो रहा कोई स्वतंत्रता दिवस का कुछ हो रहा है. नोटिस लगा दिया 2 माले पे जहाँ से बैम्बू ऊपर गया था. आपकी गलती है नहीं. आप नौकरी कर रहे हो मगर आप अपने आप को मेरी जगह डालो. आप अपने आप को भैया की जगह डालो. आपकी तो कोई आप नौकरी कर रहे हो मगर आप अपने आप को हमारी जगह डालो. उन्होंने गलत किया ना. जब हम बातचीत कर रहे हैं तो बातचीत करो हमारे साथ. क्योंकि जब यूपी की इलेक्शंस थी ना तो जब योगी जी नहीं जीते थे या कुछ हुआ था तब ये लोग बहुत खुश थे.
योगी नहीं हुई हो. हाँ योगी जी
कुछ गड़बड़ हुई थी जहाँ पे
ऊपर जाए.
ये प्रो मोदी नहीं है ये एंटी मोदी है. बट अभी जय हिंद तो मनाना पड़ेगा वरना तो फिर-
अपने एमपी में बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट आया.
अच्छा.
हाँ
अच्छा.
एमपी में तो उन्हीं का ही जय पूरी की पूरी सीटें आई थी.
अच्छा.
ऊपर चलोगी.
ऊपर आएंगे नीचे
वो वाली लिफ्ट खराब है क्या फिर से?
हाँ वो वाली खराब है।
क्यों खराब है? 2 दिन पहले तो ठीक करे।
कुछ उसका वायर खराब है, अभी आया था सचिन वो जो
हाँ।